How to post Instagram stories on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to post the Instagram stories on Android, first of all on the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account on Instagram, what you simply need to do is check on your internet connection as well. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Now simply tap on the Your Story option at the top left corner of the screen over here, and as you do that you'll be able to create a story. So you can simply click a picture or get it uploaded from your gallery. I'm going to select a picture from my gallery over here, so let's tap on it, and you can make necessary edits by adding text, stickers or music or any sort of fonts or drawings and so on over here, as you can see on the right side of the screen. And as you're done with it, you can simply tap on Your Story option. And as you do that, you'll be able to upload or post Instagram stories on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.